Careful, Jack! Careful, you could have hurt him. Ow! Ah.
Stop him! Stop him, Dad! No, stop him!
Stop it! Hold it there, Luke. Jack doesn't want you to beat him.
I don't want him to go.
Come on, quickly! Don't crash! That could hurt him. Jack, don't be nasty. Don't be nasty.
I want them to come with me.
He doesn't want to come with you.
Just walk.
Jack, let go, please.
Just doing my job.
You're not doing your job at all. Go on, Jobsworth.
Oh, I don't want to go. I'm just getting in a walk to connect them off.
Pull your arm back, that's it. You're going to be in trouble when Jack comes.
I want it, Lord.
Maybe you have to go on your bike for a little while.
I want it first.
You're going to tow him. You're going to put a tow rope on.